Hi and welcome back. In the last video we learned the different names of the strings E, A, D, G, B and E. In this video I will show you how to tune each string because it's very important to play the guitar even in these early stages and your guitar is in perfect tune. So check this out. Okay, so I messed up the tuning of my guitar. Just to show you how maybe your guitar is not tuned like mine. That's very awful. So you can see in the lower bottom of the frame, this is my favorite tuner. It's an application on my smartphone. It's called Guitar Tuner. It's totally free. I'll try to show you the logo of this app. I think it's one of the best app for tuning the guitar, in my opinion. Okay, so how's that work exactly? Well, first you need to hit on the top right in the app the word auto. Okay, as you can see, as I'm speaking, this is my voice. Of course, the app doesn't know if it's just a vibration or frequency. Okay, so obviously my frequency is is D, my voice is D. Anyway, the sixth string was an E, the elephant, so I'll play the sixth string, and as you can see it's an E, but it's very low. It's telling me it's too low. So what I need to do is to make the pitch higher, or make the string higher. Okay, now to do that you follow the sixth string and you'll see that the tuning key is the first one on the top row. To increase the pitch of the string, you play once in letter string and then you rotate counterclockwise. Do that again. And as you can see that the string is getting closer to the middle. This is where you want the string to be, in the middle, and there's gonna be a check mark and a sound telling you that the tuning is now perfect. Okay, let's try it again on the A, which is the next string, the fifth string. Okay, so I'll play. It's completely out of tune, so I'll play one time and rotate counterclockwise. Okay, that's an A, not an E. Very good. Okay, the next one is the donkey, or the D. Still too low, so you don't need to do this. This is actually confusing the tuner. You just play it one time and you rotate counterclockwise. Okay, next one is the G, the third string. Now, starting from the G string, we're going to the bottom row, okay? And the G is going to be the furthest one to you, not the nearest one, is the furthest one, okay? Just make sure to follow the string. And we're gonna play the third string, the G. Okay, so that's when you start to get closer to the middle, you need to be a little bit to do fine tuning to the string. Now the second one, I made it B, but I made it actually higher. So that's B, but it's too high. Sometimes this happens if someone, played with your guitar when you're not at home, little brother or sister or kid. So how do I lower the string? Well, you go clockwise. the opposite of what we have been doing so far. Okay, and the last string finally is the E, too low, so I go counterclockwise. Again, try to be a little bit sensitive, especially with this string, because it tends to snap because it's too thin. Okay, now it's a good idea to check at the end if it's everything is tuned or not. Obviously not. And that's how we tune the guitar, or this guitar, or any guitar. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.